Professor William Cohen of the biology department. Dr. Cohen's specialty was marine biology, and his scholarship over the years certainly would have earned him a presidential award. But similar to many of our other scientists we've discussed tonight, Jeff and Steve, while he was doing his research, his heart was in his students and in mentoring. And there are just dozens of young scientists throughout this country who've made breakthroughs because of Dr. Cohen's work. He is a professor emeritus, although he's far from retired and is always thinking, is out of Woods Hole Laboratory, continuing to do research. And we want to take this opportunity to really celebrate his extraordinary achievements for the college. Shirley Rapps, I think, is here to read a few words from Bill. Thank you, Shirley. We'll get a picture so we can give it to Bill. And you will make sure that Bill gets his check, right?
Okay, I'm very sorry that Bill cannot be here, but he sent me an email. First, I want to thank Professor Shirley Rapps and the Department of
I just added that. Who wrote that?
For the nomination, and President Jennifer Rabb and the college for the award. I also thank the department for the many mentoring opportunities afforded me. I have always felt that one-on-one lab instruction in which a student learns how to obtain new knowledge is the ultimate form of teaching. I accept this award on behalf of my research students who have kept me young in heart and mind. And a number of his students are here, and I don't know if there's time to do something. Okay. This is from me. I am extremely pleased that President Rabb is honoring Professor Emeritus William Cohen with a special award for his exceptional mentoring, especially of undergraduates, even after he is retired. Bill has always been a superb, creative teacher and has had very good to excellent evaluations. He was always low-key, so that his uniqueness and commitment were not always obvious. They're very obvious now. After retiring in June 2003, he continues to participate in the Howard Hughes Medical Institute Undergraduate Science Education Program at Hunter, taking 4 to 5 undergraduates to the Marine Biological Laboratory at Woods Hole every summer. The research carried out by the students, and these are all undergraduates, during the summer usually results in at least one publication, and several have appeared in the top journals in the field. Bill was diagnosed with an illness during the summer of 2005, but he completed that summer program very successfully. He recruited students for the summer 2006 program, and the students went to the Marine Biological Laboratory, but Bill remained at home and mentored them from home via video conferencing. The students carried out research under his guidance. He met with them every Thursday evening via video conferencing, and they went over what they had done, and Bill made suggestions. The students' commitment and progress was truly amazing. Last summer, several of Bill's colleagues at the MBL checked in on the students, as did Dick Chappell, who is here now. And I have a letter from Dick, which I won't read, but which describes how impressed he was by how the students worked during the summer. Now, Bill could have decided to forget all of this, but as he wrote, he insisted on continuing, and it's very important, and his mentoring is just unbelievable. And it's amazing to watch what was happening. Now, during this academic year, he's writing 2 papers. One is already completed and has been submitted. The second one, with the students, the longer paper, is almost completed. The figure legends just have to be put in. And he's working with Ong Pai to do all of this. Now, this summer, he's continuing the program, and although he will be doing the video conferencing from home, he has Joseph Lee, who was his last PhD student and is now on the faculty of Bronx Community College, will be taking the students physically to MBL during the summer. And he and Ong Pai will be helping to mentor the students during the week. and Bill will talk to them and deal with them over the weekend. Every Thursday night. I assume it's the usual thing. And Bill has already put together protocols for the students. They know what project they're going to work on, and it's all truly amazing. And the students have at least 9 publications. They have many, many presentations at international or national conferences, and many of you have seen their posters on the 3rd floor. Now, in addition to his work with our undergraduates, where he gets them interested in graduate school rather than medical school, that's a big thing for us. And even those who go on to medical school go on to MD, PhD programs. And he's mentored at least 8 PhD students and a number of master's students. And the love and respect all of his students feel for him is just so impressive. I have letters from undergraduates and graduate students really supporting this award. And Bill has written things other than science, and he continues to do this. And he actually has a website on which he does this. He writes short stories and poems and does cartoons, and he's now writing for his granddaughter so that she can enjoy what he's writing and feel his love for her when she gets older and can read. Okay? So I just thank you very much for doing this.